Welcome back to Northeast Ohio Veggie Garden, abroad. We recently took a trip to Ireland for a wedding anniversary, and we were able to come across a very large garden at Kylemore Abbey. We had an opportunity to tour the Abbey along with the entire grounds and garden. It was very impressive on how well kept everything was and all the different vegetables that they were growing. As you can imagine, being in Ireland, there was a lot of potatoes, as you see here, and a lot of different potato varieties that we don't see here in the States. The grounds are kept by the nuns and groundskeepers of the Abbey, and they do an excellent job of keeping everything labeled and looking great. As we take a look around, you see that their in-ground beds are sort of dug down and mounded up. Here we see different varieties of onions. I wish we could have gotten close enough to see what was written on the tags, but we weren't allowed to walk around the grounds, just had to stay on the paths. Here's one of their apple trees, and we're seeing some different types of onions in this shot. Everyone was very friendly and very informative in Ireland. As you can see, there was a worker right there by the trellis. They were trellising peas in that area. Again, a lot of cool crops, onions, and cool season vegetables. Since Ireland's temperatures aren't really that warm, beans, tomatoes, and other warm weather crops are either grown in greenhouses or just not grown at all and imported. The in-ground beds were very interesting on how they dug them down and mounded up. I would think that they would have water standing problems, but after talking with some of the workers, they have very well draining soil. Here's some more different types of potatoes that they're growing. So if you have a chance to travel and can get to Ireland, Kylemore Abbey is a great place to go to see their gardens and tour the Abbey and everything else. I'd like to thank you for joining today and going on a journey with us on our Ireland trip and seeing some great sights, and came across this opportunity to create some videos for you of what vegetable gardens look like in another country. So enjoy the rest of the video. Please like and subscribe, and hope you have a great afternoon.